The US dollar index traded slightly lower early today, but its decline deepened in the New York trade. The Canadian dollar halted its uptrend amid a sharp fall of oil prices. Sentiment in financial markets has been dampened by concerns about the spread of a new coronavirus in China. The Chinese yuan shed 0.5% against the US dollar. Other risky assets also eased their rally. Even though investors have not got into panic yet, they are shifting focus towards safe haven assets. The Japanese yen also rebounded across the board. The dollar-yen pair is likely to move below 100 points. The risk aversion sentiment proves that global investors dispel fears over lackluster performance in the global economy. Otherwise, traders would focus on negative macroeconomic data rather than on the declaration of the international health emergency by the World Health Organization. Besides, a decline of Asian shares as well as risky assets signals fragile investors' confidence. Traders are keeping close tabs on the World Economic Forum in Davos, where Donald Trump has already made negative remarks on the Fed's monetary policy. Moreover, the US president expanded on such a burning issue as the global climate change and attacked climate activists as perennial prophets of doom. End of quote. While Donald Trump is speaking at the forum thousands of kilometers away from his country, the US Senate is opening the trial over his impeachment. The US dollar index settled down at near 97.43 in the North American trade. Despite trading a bit lower, it remains not far away from the highest level of the month. At the same time, the euro and the pound sterling benefited from the news and economic prospects of the Eurozone and the UK. The Canadian dollar suspended its advance due to a 1% drop in oil prices. On the whole, the loonie is trading at around the same level of 1.3059. The outlook for the downtrend of the dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is still valid. The currency pair aims to test the downward level of 1.3021. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. See you back tomorrow. Bye.